Hey guys, Little Beef here. I just finished that bear boss we couldn't get past, and also I forgot to start filming then because I accidentally. But after you kill a big bear boss, there is two big bears that run after you. Just kill them with your magic. So yeah, guys, use your shield when you come up here. I'll play it with you guys sometime. No doubt in that. Once I unlock them, I forgot how you unlock these guys. I have to watch the video for it. Lightning! So yeah guys, there will be a couple videos without Brick Smash TV. There will be a couple. I only say that because, I mean, only for a few hours. So yeah, there won't be a lot. Maybe this will be the last one. Maybe one more. But yeah, so there will be a few. I want to do Wedding Crash with them. That's speaking. Gooey things. Random piles of sludge. I said no sludge. I don't like sludge. Ew, this is disgusting. Oh my god, I hate these things. Get off me. I said get off! Holy balls. Jeez, these guys are fucking annoying. Hit with a W. Hit him! Hit him! Do not let them get on me. Take lightning! Take lightning! Lightning! I recommend magic on these guys, because that's like, jeez. Like lightning! I didn't get it anymore. Lightning! Like lightning! Oh, holy. Oh! I said lightning. Is someone order a dose of lightning? Ah! Ah! Holy balls, I hate this. Oh, I'm almost dead. Oh, thank God. Oh, he shitted. Come on. Oh, crap. That ton does a lot of damage, guys, on his side. Heard! Heard is shitting back. He's got giant poops. That way when he licks you. He's poisonous. Oh! Holy crap. Oh no! Jeez, that bat got me, guys. Got me good. Yeah. potions. I know, I'll just go to the cave store. Because every time you go to the castle cave, there's always barbarians in there, so no. I got enough money. By the way, guys, if you need money in Castle Crashers, just fight the barbarian boss a bunch of times. That's why I did to get a bunch of money. It actually works well. I mean, just use your light, just use whatever magic you have on. Seriously, I did that, and it worked like gold. Damn, I'm so fast. Not even lying. Yeah, stay away from these things. Let your magic get up, because you need magic on these. Squooches. Alright. Oh, I didn't even get them. Oh, that's disappointing. Now I got them. Ah! I like screaming like that. Ah! Holy balls, get off me. Oh. Jeez, I hate these things. Ah! Get up! Oh! Okay. There's one. Remy, knock down enemies. Because he does that. Remy occasionally knocks down enemies. Remy, do it! Go, Remy! I like Remy. Yeah, see guys, Remy does the job. A seahorse just lets me move through water quicker, which I really don't see useful. Honestly, I really don't see moving through water quick useful. I just don't. I don't get the point. But yeah, so each pet has their little special abilities. Whoa. Wow. Why? So guys, I did a review on this game, and now I'm doing a walkthrough for it. Alright, so we'll probably kill this boss and then we'll stop this video. Look at that. It's just shitting. Jeez. Really shitting that. Oh, jeez, that ton is a lot of freaking damage. His minions are coming. Oh, jeez. Run away from the giant bat. He shits. Oh, jeez, he's pooping. Okay. Oh, my God. Oh, no! Oh, come on! What the hell? Oh, my God. This is just fucking ridiculous. Jesus Christ. Run by more. Jesus, this is just freaking ridiculous. Jeez, this boss I find annoying. Jeez, why do I have to start all the way back here? That's annoying. Ah! I hate these snoopers. You can probably hear me shaking the analog stick in the video if you watch it. Remy, do your magic. Remy, knock him down. Good job. Whoa! Good boy, Remy. So guys, to get Remy, you have to take out that tornado bear in Tallgrass Field. Ah! I wanna kill you! Alright guys, so now we're gonna kill this guy. We are. I don't care. I'm gonna kill this. Because he's shitting everywhere. Hey, you can't shit anywhere you want, doofus. No, the rules on the planet, dipstick. Public indecency. Oh, no! Alright, dude. Be careful. Oh, hell no. Yay! Oh! Now he can be a pet, but yeah, I'll keep my ram. See guys, I told you we'd kill him. Woo! Free money! Killed 17 people, I got 42 money bags. And how many XP did I get? 95. So we can either do the industrial castle or flowery field. I don't know. So guys, that is... Oh, what the heck? I thought I pressed return home. So guys, that will be... I wanted to make this longer, but I'm not sure if I should though. So we defeated that guy in Pistrillo's... Is that Pistrillo? Pipistrello. Pipistrello Cave. So, the flowery field. Look at him right on his horse. I like that. There's the level with bees. Money. Come on, you guys. I like this. I like this game, guys. I like this one. So, guys, I will also be doing 13 viewers for today to the viewers. Look at the king. He's actually fine this time. Took a while. And I ride a horse. Yeah! See? I stole the king's horse. Haha! Kill the bees! Kill the beekeepers! They keep the bees! Level 10? Oh wow, I'm just leveling up. I'm excited! They keep the bees! Okay guys, Ricknuts TV will be with us, but it's not right now. Because I wanted to continue this, and I would like to have it here, but he's in school. Oh, he didn't give me anything. Was he following his horse? Shut up, this is my horse now. Maximum firepower! Hey, what's that? Using a cab or fleeing at night with maximum power. Cool. Come on. Come on, everybody. Great Knight's still coming. Wait for all the Great Knights, guys. Anyone else? Alright, up. Alright, come on. I have 5 knights with me. I would have 6, but first knights give me a good game. Kill the Conehead! Keep the bees! Let's continue, guys. For Legislature. Guys, in this part we'll be crashing away. See, crashing away. Stop building bombs. You're not playing fair. You're not playing fair, and I'm electrocuting you. Haha. How does that feel now? Right load. Honey. And also an apple. I don't like this music very much. Kill him! Kill him! Oh yeah, so we're gonna end this video shortly here. Ah! Conheads! That's what they're called. Conheads, guys. The big one. The big one needs to be killed first. Big one's very scary. Actually, cute. They're not. I mean, he's not scary. I mean, I just prefer it. Bananas. Why would someone compare? Here we go. Alright, guys. So we're gonna end this video in a second. Not now, because we still have like 2 minutes for filming. Money bag. Food. Oh, that delicious food. Oh, holy balls. Level 11? What? Lightning. Thank you. Thanks for delicious food. He dies. I want a lightsaber. These guys carry lightsabers if you didn't realize that. Alright, so yeah guys. Hey! Look at all this delicious food. They have turkey and cookies and ice cream. Wow, that just looks fantastic. I'd hate to not want this one. I mean, obviously, I don't know why evil people are doing this. Alright guys, so this wraps up this part. Castle Crashers, I will see you all later. We'll finish this part now. It might be the end for today. So, this is LegoBeef signing off.